we were sent these nail clippers and they're really cool. So they actually have a sleeve on them so that it catches the nail clippings inside of it. So you don't have to worry about them flying all over the room if you're cutting your nails. My wife appreciates it because she also feels that I leave the nails out on the counters on occasion. I don't believe that I do, but that's neither here nor there because this solves that problem. It prevents the nails from escaping from the clipper. This is how they came in the box. They have this little lever here, which is really great because right now you'd have to open it and then close it, but you open this lever, pull it all the way forward, and now it's spring loaded. I happen to have one nail here that I need to cut right now. So let's go through and show it in action. Clipping, it has a good clipping action. It has a really good feel to it as well. Now I do see this nail is pretty big, so it's probably not the ideal candidate here, but let's see here. Actually, I'm just gonna cut it in half. Oh, look at that. It stores it inside. It didn't just go flying all over the place. So far, so good. I'm gonna cut this one in half also. Boom, stores it right inside there. Let's go ahead and do this other part here. Oh, wow, this nail clipper may secure my marriage right here because it clips, see this little sleeve that wraps around it? Now, here, it's called a wide jaw opening nail clipper, and it has additional sleeves that it comes with. It has additional sleeves that it comes with so that when this one wears out, you can just go through and change it. You do not need to change the sleeves with each nail clipping, just once it's worn out. Now, to be able to store it, what you're gonna do is you're gonna lift up the handle, bring that down, and then relieve the spring pressure. That way, the sleeve here does not get worn out. And then when you want to empty it, just take it over your trash receptacle, open this up and just turn it upside down and shake it, and then all of the nail clippings come out. Really nice, has a great feel to it, really great. You can see the polish on here and the finish that it has. This feels really nice. It has a good weight to it as well, but just a really great ergonomic feel, high quality feel to it as well. And you can just tell that the design on it was really well thought out. I really love this. Now, in the kit, it also comes with a nail file, and this is the acrylic nail file that has the etching on it. So it has, you can do your filing here with this, and this is the type of board that lasts a really long time. You don't have to worry about the sandpaper ones. And it comes in this great little carrying kit that's metal tin carrying kit. Really, really fun kit to be able to have. And on the back here, it tells you all about the contact information. They are very sharp, so they're not a toy, they're a tool, but they work fantastic. I love them now. I know you will as well.